Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to apply your visa Germany application form, how to fill visa application form online. So all you have to do, follow me in this guide, go to Google, search for VFS Global. This is application visa online form. Click the first website here, you will see this page. From this, choose applying from, choose your country to Germany, select your Germany here. In this case, click Germany, click take me the website, this option, and then you will see this page. From here, apply a visa, fill information, click start now, and then you have identify visa type, choose your visa type from this section, and then click view more. You will see German Federal official website, click this one, you will be redirected to this official website. In this section, friends, you should be fill your all information details. If you're submitting an application for yourself, click yes, and then choose your personal details application, choose your surname, and then choose your surname, last name, this one, choose your first name here, your birthday date, choose your birthday date here, and then choose your birthday date, choose your place of birthday, country. After that, choose before check this one, choose your country, your gender, your all information here. From the holder's authority, choose your guardian application, your surname, first name. From here, employment, country, residence, choose your professional activities, employee, choose your house number, company, school, all this information here. From this section, you have contact details, application details, such as trace, postal code, your number, country, and email address. From the country other reside, click yes or no. From here, choose your document travel type, passport or travel document number. All information here, biometric, if you have a biometric information is for visa application. From here, click start wizard. You should be travel data. Fill all this information here, and then click save and click new application here. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.